Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to create histogram and in your Google Sheet. Actually, it's really easy to do. Here I have some sampling data, and then I want to create the histogram of this data. You just click these rows or your data, and then click insert, and then you can click this chart. And then here you can see by default it will be finding the most fit chart by Google Sheet itself. So how to make it as an histogram? You just click this chart type, and then you scroll down until you can find this histogram on other tab. So this is the histogram chart. I will click the histogram chart. Here my histogram chart. Also you can customize your histogram. For example, I want to make the bucket size into 10. Oh, my sampling data is under 10, so I put 2. Now I see the normal distribution of my sampling data is around on the average, which is 5 value. Also you can you can change the outer percentile to ignore the extreme low and extreme max. You just put 10% or 50%, or commonly most is 1%. See, this is my normal distribution data of the sampling data. Okay, this is the tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.